Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another investment video. This is Chris with Vibrant Deals, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a month or even $20 a month. So I'm going to jump over here to my computer, which is right over here on this table, and I'm going to walk through with you quickly some stocks that make me $100 a month. All right, so I'm using the Numbers app, as I showed you on the previous video, to create this little template that helps me figure out dividend calculations. And we're going to go on to Robinhood. Right, I'm logged in, and so my portfolio is sitting at about $68,983. We're going to also buy some stuff today because there's some stuff that's kind of low. I like to buy when everything dips down a little bit. So let's go and buy a stock really quick. So I'm gonna buy $100 worth of SDIV since it's a little bit down. My average cost is $13.91, as you can see here, and the current price is $12.46. So let's go ahead and buy really quick here. I have $100 available, so we're gonna go ahead and hit 100 and then swipe up. All right, so I just bought $100 worth at $12.47, and a total of 8 shares was purchased. So let's go ahead and go down to the dividends. All right, so I'm on my phone, as you can see here, for the month of December. This is how much I've actually made with PSEC, SDIV, AGNC, and QYLD. And as you can see here, it shows that I made over $100 with all 3 of these, and then the 4th one, QYLD, I made $245. So if you do the math, it is $571, I believe. So that's not that bad for a portfolio at around $69,000, $68,000. So, and I'll show you my quick history really quick. For November, that's how much I made. I had a YouTuber ask me about some other stocks that I might be interested in, and I actually had a bunch of different stocks. I believe I had over 12 to 15 monthly dividend stocks, and I decided to consolidate all of them and go into just these 4 that I just showed you just now, these 4 right here. So, but I might get back into some STAG and maybe some Realty O and maybe even PFF or SPHD. But I was trying to find the best stocks that would give me the best yield. So this is a quick little overview. This was August. I'll let you look over that. You can pause the video at any moment in time. And as you can see here, I wasn't always making $100 for each stock. It was a gradual thing over the past year. Some of these stocks only got $25 at first. And then it eventually grew to 35, then 50, then 60, and 75, and eventually $100. So, but it's just really nice to invest and to see your investment grow automatically over time. That's why I like dividend investing. So I'll just show you some more. This is June. This is May. As you can see here, these are all the different monthly dividend stocks that I was involved in. This is April. And we'll scroll down some more. Now, some of these I see here are not monthly dividends, like VYM and VXUX is not a, and VTI. Those are quarterly stocks, dividend stocks. So I just want to point that out real quick. But I will keep scrolling down so you can see January. And as you can see here, I didn't have really big dividends at the time. They were like 13 cents, dollar, you can see 56 cents. PSEC was $1.56 back in January. That's how much I got paid out. AGNC, $4.89. And then we'll go back up to the top and you can see the difference there. See, if you keep on investing over time and you keep on adding to your principal, it really starts to grow. So that's how you make $100. I will show you what that translates to on this computer here so you can get a better idea. So to make $100, well, let me fix this. The AGNC needs to be 100 bucks. And I kind of tweaked everything. It should be pretty close to what the market is right now as far as the price and the price per share and how much they pay you per share. So if you want to make $100 a month with each one of these stocks, this is exactly what you would need for the most part. So for AGNC, you would need about $13,000. For PSEC, you would need about $14,250. And then for SDIV, you'd need $12,470. And then the lowest out of the bunch is QYLD. To make $100 a month, you'd only need around $10,111.31. So that's the big picture there. And then if you look right over here where it says the monthly profit, so you'd make $400 a month, plus or minus depending on what they pay you per share, and it'd cost you around $50,000 to make $400 a month. And your yearly total, 400 times 12, you'd make $4,800 a year doing nothing. So that's awesome. So I'm gonna show you how to make $20. Like I said, I like to keep the goals low. If $100 is too high for you, set your goal low and you'll eventually hit those higher marks eventually. So let's go ahead, just remember what this looks like, and we'll do $20 for each one of these really quick here. So $20, $20, $20, $20. So as you can see here, this is how much it would cost, basically a fifth of what the $100 was. So, and this goal might be more attainable for you. As you can see here, all these are around $3,000 or less, or $2,000, about $2,500. So that's not too bad. And it'll just keep on growing, and you can just keep on adding to your portfolio. I will show you really quick, I do have $100 going in each week. So I'll show you my reoccurring investments. So if I can get this thing to focus, here we go. Manage investments. So this is my breakdown for my reoccurring investments for the dividends. So you can turn this off anytime you would like. Another thing that people had a question about for me was that the dividends, when they go in, you can basically set it up to where it's not being reinvested anymore. So let me show you really quick the history. So on here, this is the history. So I basically have my recurring investing going on every Friday, usually, unless it's a holiday. And then I have it set up to reinvest, but you can actually turn this off, and then you can actually have it go straight into your buying power, and you can buy stuff yourself, or even a different stock. If you don't want to have it reinvested, say into QYLD, you can invest it into something else. All right, so I have an added bonus for you all. I actually went on NASDAQ.com and I looked up some of the stats on the payouts per month. And I actually don't have these in my portfolio anymore, but I just want to show you a nice visual comparison of using Realty O, Stag Industrial, and SPHD. And I know these are only 3 funds. I just picked them randomly because I actually had them in my portfolio previously in the middle of the year. But look at how it cost way more money. I know it's nice to diversify, don't get me wrong. And this account that I have on Robinhood is not my only account. Like I said, I have a Roth IRA, a 401k, and some other stable mutual funds and index funds. This Robinhood account is really just for income purposes. So I'm gonna show you really quick. So $50,000 is what it costs to achieve $400 a month. As you can see here, to make $300 a month, it costs well over 100 grand. We can make this more fair, and let's just say 150 here. And let's say, which one's cheaper? This one, let's go to 150 on this one. So to try to make $400 with these 3 funds, it costs 136K versus 50K. So you can take a look at that. And then I'll go back to 100 so you can do a quick comparison for yourself. And that's why I like this numbers application, because I used to write all this stuff down. Now I can just punch in the numbers and go, and it really gives me a quick calculation. So quick comparison, you can see desired income $100. So you can see how it costs more than double for the ones on the top there versus making $100. All these cost well over 30 grand. Versus 10 to call it 14,000. So hope this quick little comparison helps out. Again, I love the feedback that you leave me down in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos or want to give me some input on some things, leave them down in the comment section below. And also comment on what your favorite stock is, whether it be a monthly dividend stock or even a quarterly one. But that's it for my video today. If you have any other questions for me, just leave them down in the comment section below. But please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.